created with you in mind. Wider, larger, more stylish. The Samsung Space French door refrigerator helps realize the dream of a perfect kitchen. It's stylish, keeps food fresher longer, food stays organized in ample space, food is always within reach. With no middle divider to disrupt storage space, the Samsung Space French door refrigerator epitomizes endless space. Store large party platters, giant cakes, jumbo watermelons, gallons of drinks, and more without a second thought. Strawberries should taste like strawberries. With Samsung's unique twin cooling system, each compartment has its own evaporator, so food keeps its natural flavor while maintaining freshness longer. No odor transfer, no drying out. Keep perishable foods in optimal conditions with the Cool Select Pantry. Samsung's Space French door refrigerator includes the Cool Safe lock and Cool Tight doors to seal in cool air to guarantee ideal conditions for perishables, so meats and vegetables stay fresh longer. The Samsung Space French door refrigerator is simply easier to use. With wide space, versatile storage capabilities, and easy slide-out bins for convenient loading and storage, this refrigerator is easy to use and large enough to satisfy all your culinary needs. What's more, choose from 4 classic colors to fit your unique style. The Samsung Space French door refrigerator satisfies the culinary chef, fulfills the needs of those who entertain frequently, and captivates those who crave style. Add style to your kitchen and make it a happy space with the Samsung Space French door refrigerator.